Hello, it is Sarah with Yoga for Classrooms, and we are here today for a seated posture. So I hope you'll join me. This comes from our Yoga for Classrooms activity card deck, and it is one of our at your desk activities, meaning that you can do it right where you are at your desk. We love these activities because it gives us an opportunity to stretch, to really release some tension, give us that good deep stretch, even really improving our posture, all while in our seats at our desks. So come along and join me. We are going to do Rock the Baby today. So find a seat in your seated mountain posture. Remember, our seated mountain posture is when we're sitting in our chair, kind of towards the front of our chair, not where we're going to fall off the front, but not leaning way back either. We're kind of towards the front of our chair with our feet on the floor in front of us. Our knees are at that 90-degree angle. Our shoulders are back. Our back is straight. Our core is engaged. We want to be strong like mountains in this seated mountain. Good. Maybe take a breath or two here, in through your nose and out through your nose. Settling in to sitting mountain, feeling that strength even before we do anything else. Remember, sitting mountain is a foundational posture. We can always come back right here. Even just this posture really improves our posture. It really helps us to be in that strong starting position. All right, from here, we're going to lift our right foot up and place it onto our left knee. All right, so you may not be able to see my legs completely, but scoot back a little bit. But I brought my right leg up, I sat it on my left knee, and from here, I'm going to flex my foot to really engage my foot and my leg. You can kind of see here in the image where she's flexing her foot. Hold on to your foot with your left hand and then take your right knee into your right hand. All right, so left hand grabbing my foot, right hand, I'm grabbing my knee. Now we're going to keep our spine nice and straight, but we're going to lift your right leg up and in towards your chest and cradle it like a baby. So gently lifting that leg and cradling it like a baby, very gently rocking from side to side. Remember, we never do anything that hurts our body, only doing things that feel good and only going as far as what feels good for us. So notice I'm not reaching my leg way too far up because that doesn't feel good on my hips, all right? So I'm really listening to my body, rocking that baby back and forth, breathing in and out as I really sink into that deep stretch, releasing that tension we often hold in our body. Good. Now gently release your leg back to your knee and then slowly release it all the way back down. Good. You might kind of wiggle that out a little bit. And then we're going to go to the other side. So this time, lift your left foot, placing it onto your right knee, flexing that foot. Remember that important part of flexing your foot, really engaging the foot and the leg as you flex it. Then you're going to hold your foot with your right hand and then hold your knee with your left hand this time, right? Now remember, keep your spine straight, don't dump over, so keep that spine straight, and you're gonna lift your left leg in towards your chest to cradle it like a baby. Good. Gently rocking your baby from side to side. You might notice that this side feels different. Oftentimes, our different sides feel different, and that's okay. That's normal. But again, listening to your body, only doing what feels good, making sure your spine is still straight, your core is engaged, feeling that release of tension through your hip and leg. Good. Maybe breathing in and out as you rock that baby. Good. Gently release your leg back to your knee and then all the way back down to that sitting mountain. Again, kind of wiggling that out, feeling how much more release you feel, how much more open you might feel, thanking your body for all the work it does for us all day, every day. If you'd like, you can do that again on each side. I like to do 2 sets of each side to really open up that hip. So if that feels good, go back to that right leg. Again, only going so far as what feels good for you. When you're ready, slowly and gently coming out of it, and then back to the other side. Thinking about when you might be able to do this quick activity in your day to give you that stretch, give you that release, and get you ready for the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me for Rock the Baby from our Yoga for Classrooms activity card deck. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did, and I will see you again next time. Bye bye.